Hello, toy reviewing army. Today we're doing a toy review on Super Crazy. Starting off, this is his black short hair. Also have his mouth open where he's shouting. Also have black gloves on. Also have a vest on that has, I guess, a Mexican logo, Mexican writing on it. On the back, it has his name Super Crazy. Lost Santanta, I think it says. And he's got his logo here. Also got a tattoo here. Tattoo on the other side. Also got his wrestling trousers on with the same tattoo here. That says his wrestling name. Also got a logo going down here. Also a logo on his boots. Also black and white boots, very detailed. Glad to have them in my collection. And that's it for this short video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.